Sure, here's a broad description of 15 things to eat in 2025 to help you stay fit, fresh, and full of energy, based on modern nutrition science and 2025 wellness trends. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Packed with iron, magnesium, and antioxidants, these greens help oxygenate your cells, reduce fatigue, and support detoxification. 2. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and B vitamins, avocados fuel your brain and keep you satisfied for longer. 3. Quinoa. A complete plant-based protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Also provides sustained energy through complex carbs. 4. Blueberries. These tiny fruits are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, boosting brain power, memory, and reducing oxidative stress. 5. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. High in omega-3 fatty acids, these support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve focus and mood. 6. Greek yogurt or plant-based yogurt. A great source of protein and probiotics for gut health, digestion, and muscle repair. 7. Mixed nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia, pumpkin seeds. Offer healthy fats, magnesium, protein, and sustained energy throughout the day. 8. Oats. Slow digesting carbs with fiber and B vitamins that help regulate blood sugar and keep energy stable. 9. Sweet potatoes. Rich in complex carbohydrates, beta-carotene, and potassium, they provide long-lasting fuel without sugar crashes. 10. Beans and lentils. Excellent plant-based protein and fiber sources that stabilize blood sugar and support muscle growth. 11. Green tea or matcha. Boosts metabolism, focus, and energy with less caffeine than coffee, plus powerful antioxidants. 12. Eggs. Full of protein, choline, and essential nutrients. Great for muscle repair and brain health. 13. Bananas. Quick source of natural sugars and potassium, making them ideal for pre- or post-workout fuel. 14. Fermented foods kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha. Support gut health and digestion, which are essential for nutrient absorption and energy regulation. 14. Fermented foods kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha. Support gut health and digestion, which are essential for nutrient absorption and energy regulation. 15. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa. Boosts mood, brain function, and energy in moderation thanks to natural stimulants and antioxidants. These foods not only fuel your body but also support mental clarity, immunity, and long-term wellness. Would you like this turned into a video script, infographic, or printable guide?